Welcome to our new playlist. Here we will learn some C++ code. So here I have a question. To define a class represent a bank account which includes the data members, name, account number and balance in the account. So we will first declare the data members and let's see what is the first member function. It is to assign initial values. Now first write the code up to this and then we will check the question again. So here I have declared the three variables, that is account number, name and float balance. Now we will declare the first member function, that is the initial value. Here I have written the initial assign initial function where we will ask from the user to enter their account number and we will save that in the account number variable, and we will initialize the balance with 0, and after that we will ask for the name of the account holder, and then we will use getCar to clear the buffer, and then we will use cin.getLine to take the whole name, that is including the space, as an input. Inside the function we will assign the variable name and its length. Now the second function is to deposit an amount and the third function is to withdraw an amount. We will now write these two function codes and then we will see what is next. So now we will write the code for void deposit and we will declare an amount variable and ask for the user to give the deposit amount. Then we will take the amount and increase the balance with the amount, and after that we will display what is our current balance. So this is our deposit function, and after that we will write the withdraw function. It is similar, and first we will ask the amount, and but there is a condition: if the amount which we want to withdraw is less than or equal to the account balance, only then we can withdraw the amount. If there so we will write a if block, and inside that we will reduce the balance with the amount, but in the else block we will write insufficient balance, that is when the amount to withdraw is greater than the amount present in the account. Now the last function we need to write is the display function. Here we will write three cout statements and print the name, account number and the balance. Now in the main function we will declare one object of class bank, that is user1, and we will assign the values with using assign initial, and then we will deposit some amount and withdraw some amount. We need to deposit first because the initial value is 0 of our balance, so we cannot withdraw anything before depositing here. And after deposit and withdraw we will display our account status, and we will again put another deposit and withdraw and display set to show that when the amount to withdraw is greater than the amount present in the bank account, then it will show insufficient balance. So we will write another set of instructions, and after that we will run our program. Now we have run the program. First we have given the account number, the balance is initialized to 0, and after that I will write the name using space. So see, it is accepted. Now we will deposit 15,000 rupees and withdraw 7,000 rupees. So now my balance is 8,000, but now I will try to withdraw 10,000 rupees, but it is forbidden, so it will show insufficient balance. Now see, we have another question, that is to also add a function to transfer money from one account to another account. So let's write the code for this question. Here I have retained the transfer function, and here I have passed an argument, that is an object of the class bank, and now here I have declared the variable amount, and we have asked that which is the amount that the user wants to transfer from user.name to name. Here user.name is the name of the user which is passed through argument, and name is the name of the user which is calling the function. So it will print like that, and after that we will take the amount as input and check if the amount which I have entered to transfer is less than or equal to the user's balance which I have passed through argument. So if it is less than or equal to, then I will update the balance of the user and also the user which called it. So I will increase the balance, that is the balance of the user who called the function with the amount, and I will decrease the balance of the user which is passed through arguments. Now we will write the insufficient balance in the account of the user.ac, that is the user passed through arguments, in the else block. Now in the main function I will initialize the two user objects of class bank, and I will deposit some money in their account, and then I will call the transfer function for both the users, that is from user 1 to user 2 and from user 2 to user 1, and I will show their balance after every transaction. So let's run the function and let's see what happens. Here I have run it, and I am initializing the account number and names of the account and depositing some amount to all the accounts, that is to both the accounts, and now I will do the transfer part. So now I have entered amount for both the accounts. You can see now enter amount to transfer from Devjit to Naruto. So I will enter the amount here. I have entered 5,000, and you can see it is sufficient to transfer. You can see here is shown that 5,000 rupees transferred from Devjit to Naruto. So you can see the updated balance of both the accounts. Now I will try the else part, that is I will try to transfer some money which is more than the balance available. So I will try to transfer 50,000 rupees from Naruto to Devjit, and it will say insufficient balance, and the account details will remain same. So hope you guys understand it. So please do subscribe and share with your friends.